Dubai gi yum thado ame. Aje hotel de leire. Bye bye car. Dubai de Leihoure ko. As kuyam jengone.
Are you sure it's this business class?
You want to see?
Bye bye Dubai. I'll miss you. Every day you make traffic jams. I don't like Dubai.
Sila bila yang leire.
Hello, how are you?
Dubai kita London, New York karamba country da lakpa mani. Hello everyone. Mamang ki video da chak charu budu Manipur family in UAE ki chelati ka oida adai hala e duga nungdang se dum hotel sida change ngasi dagi hotel da leirani yengmina simya. Humid. Honga tato ka dito lida. Camera de London. Si leire koin lei doi se Dubai gi yum thado ame. Aje hotel de leire matam khara. Mo hotel sigi room tour mate ama tau tharake yam kana number di haite adu yang minase me. Dula itu ada. Pausta. Yes. Magi kitchen pire. Kece chaba hokola maga cha beje. Coffee matha ka tumba yarani. Ngang chak thongbam ju leire. Yam chaw na pi. Som da guest bathroom ma leire. Guest. Yes.
The bathroom.
Nice that. Kaya tau tu amaga. Chaw no bathroom jam.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Atomba. Saksuti ba to bagi?
Say good morning to mom.
Any lam chatpa matamda chattoiba lamdugi paisa khara paraga chatpa daka oy aduna akhoi paisa khara kai ba thole si halaga amuk packing hawrani.
Mommy, let's just go in. Wait. Can you give me the car? No, give me car.
Nungsibiba marup mayamna matang unaba lakpi adubu video di loy namhaudare chinmandana.
Naughty boy and you, pepperoni and you, to mama and you.
To mama and tuna. I heard it was to mama. Tuna ba? Oh, no. Yes. What? Who's bago so darling? Hey. One. Come here. One. It's your paichi?
What's the name? I think I did.
Yes, you can do it.
Bye. Don't be mad. We got a life jacket. I got float. Hi.
Dubai da Leihoure ne thank you. Thank you. Nangai mana loy na lang kuding pubi ba do. So handa na kenta.
It did not make me cry.
Bye bye car. Dubai da Leihoure ko. La. Kap.
Hi guys, today we're about to go to. Are you guys so excited?
Hotel check out tau tu ame airport chat na ba pochai hapkat na re sidagi airport chat lani sidai ti Dubai gi aroi numit ado oi re.
Hi guys, our father told us in 24 we're going to. But I don't know what plane it will be, so I don't see the Gulf Air. Just say Gulf Air or Gulf Air. Today we're gonna fly.
As kuyam jengone. Kap.
Why is it so slow?
Luhan.
Because this guy's a baby guy. No, that one is red.
Kato ko lain no perfume lay bala ero no isda. Duty free da.
I don't like shopping. I'm tired.
Big extra am low doing la on. Na te dirhams ne. To pa chatro. Khang de ma satyam phajai. Si jam phajai. Bag kam bagi ni gi gift lay. Bag se hapa.
Wait, is there anything inside packed?
Yes.
Yeah, for charging planes. Mommy, come.
Okay. Thank you. Hello.
Is this business class?
Yeah.
What is up there?
Do.
Mommy, are you sure is this business class?
Press hard.
Oh, it has this.
Do you want juice?
Which?
Later.
Later.
Yes. Can you close up there?
Huh?
Here? I need to put this one.
I will.
What?
Yeah. No, this one.
This is orange juice?
Yes, this is lemon.
How do we put the table?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is from the flight deck. Welcome on board Flight 505. Up on this afternoon.
You want to leave?
And I'm Nassim Khan. Meeting my senior
Exactly!
colleague,
How about I have?
Yasser Al-Abbasi.
I wanted to.
Arabic tea. You want?
It's very hot right now. Can you open this for me?
And they have pumpkin salad. Can you choose one?
Can I know?
I'm playing game. We're flying! Bye-bye, I will miss you, Burj Khalifa.
Dubai. Bye-bye, Dubai.
Bye-bye, Dubai, I will miss you. You will, because every day you make traffic jams. I could like Dubai. The view looks nice down there. Guys, we're now flying. We got seatbelts. We listened to the rules. We will easily have fun in this plane. Well, let's have a good flight. Hi. Cakes!
This is bread.
Cakes later.
This is the cake.
What is this? I want to try this.
Thank you.
There's one way. I see the one way there. We're almost on end. Right now it's taking along. So this is the nighttime, mommy. Look.
India sila laire to
Wait.
India.
Going down.
Sila na Manipur laire.
Wait, is that Manipur? Show me.
No, India da yung.
Another island.
Kaya ba? Kaya ore ba? Island?
Island. Yes. We're about to land. Can't wait to see the runway. Is that a dog?
Rubihin ba ba?
It's finished. I like it. Look. The airport looks nice too.
Look at outside, Kaya.
Sila bilayam laire. Bilayam laire ba sila?
I want to see the pilot's room.
Hello. How are you?
baby. Naka.
I used to.
Alright, all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Careful of it.
The engine is off. You see the engine? It's off now.
Stand here. Macam mo. Stand here. Ako nalo niya. Eh, po nalo. Sa
Playground. The playground. Mommy, I want to go in the playground. Please. Please. I want to go. Ow! Sorry. Okay.
Work and family permit. Leihoure. Leihoure. Tipi aga masayam nan ba. Moigi airport mi yam de ba.
Doors opening. Hey, it's open.
Pik na masayam nan de. Akoy bag khata ne lai ram je khuyam je. Khuyam je ti mo. Masayam nan. Dubai da na mi yam an da na nan bang khang da. Yes.
Butterfly. Butterfly.
This is a kaino.
bank details niya.
Ang asaya mo yaw given ni kaino pirak pa to kan. SIM card so adum pijara e check immigration da. Hek yaubaga akhoi mingga tharaga leirame fajana welcome tawbire adu mi do yaubugi number ngai ta namdre adu akhoi poche yaman ge dana gari je challaroina moi gari achaubo na sindorake na chatki adugi ngahak potha boina coffee macha matha aga ngairamine new country yaubase kai khanje.
Well, I'm so excited to go in the new house today. Wait, I got a new name for you to tell me. So today you could tell me Big Bro.
Yaure new country yaure.
Hi guys, today we arrived and so we're using the bus to go in the hotel, but we're gonna enjoy the hotel for some time. It made me a little cry. Well, let's go in.
Island hai ham lak pani na khan sida lei do ba kano mautam khara yum thiri kanda island hai sida hana thungare chu fresh kano thaula fresh oina ba luhan da su pipiyo ka kano moi gi ning thau sing oi doi ne aham ba yo bani na khangde country anouba hongbagi gyan men mam
Do that, okay?
tho
You're too slow right now.
hotel yobagi
Yes. I like relaxing in the hotel, but I'm so excited to see what's inside.
pot yam je mi khangnara ni ha ba lam ma hongi bu country ma hongi bu yam bu yaman je pha se ai khut ta loina changri ni ai khut na loin tawraga ai khut na mu loi chai tho ma pham thamak toi ne thai thabak na te check in check out matam Lere Dubai ki time London New York karam country da lak pa man ge ngo mari lai sida Dubai dai di la amne na Dubai di na try
Oh, this is for us to sleep alone. Oh, someone. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's just a dead end. But where's the remote? This is my room. Two toilets there.
Put now, Uncle. So they're standing. Shower.
Hi guys, we're here to the hotel. We have a lamp here. This we already put that we came. It looks a little messy. Well, here's the TV we're already watching. The couch look nice. Just look at the view. You see? There could be something else in the bedroom.
Big man, this sura bremo. I na hana sa kha thado amam ne hai ba. Moi masing ga hai ne. Buta hana sa kha ne. Sa hi try te nang di try pa. Manam yam nung si manam si kai nom nang gare ba ko.
This is like a monster light. I like it.
O bedroom male.
Red chip? Yeah.
Nutella na, luhan na, butter na, kaya na. New country ki ko. It's okay. Taste over it.